To analyze your traffic, you can click on the home button here, and this will actually show the traffic for the default website. In other words, the website you were last on. So if I want to change that, I can click up here and I can change the account. So I could change the account and go to a different page. So this is just my personal account viewed over the last 7 days. If you want to change the parameters, like for the dates, then obviously just select a different date range. Like if I want to look at the last month or thereabouts, I'll start to see the patterns for traffic on that particular site. You have to do that for each individual graph. So once again here, if I wanted to change the time frame, I'll just say, how about the last 90 days? And now I can see the traffic coming from social media, coming from referrals from other websites, just search engines and so forth, judged on the various different colors. So you can see right here, like on this particular time frame right here, I'm seeing most of them are actually directly coming to this site. In other words, they've typed on the URL to come into normhair.com. And so you can see a variety of different resources will allow you to see different aspects of your traffic. For example, who's using it at what time, what websites are the most frequently used. You can see the location that people are coming from. So right now, if I click on this, this will give me a map of the world. And then if I can see that these are the countries that people are coming from. So in the last 7 days, I've had 498 people from the United States. And I can look around here and I can see I've had 1 from Spain, 20 from the UK, and so forth. And so, again, this is just one website. So I have hundreds of these websites. So you can see that you can generate a tremendous amount of traffic. So if I wanted to see, well, how much has it been in the last year? So let's just go ahead and put 2020 there. And so in the last year, you look at the map and you can see that it's pretty well colored in. If you want to actually track where they're coming from, just scroll down and you can see the number of usage from various different sites. So you can see that India, another English-speaking country, tends to have a lot of use. So on this personal website in the last year, about 31,000 or so users on this. And so with about 43,000, I should say, sessions. So 31,000 users and about 44,000 sessions. All right, so you can just click on the grids. You can see this in a variety of different ways. You can check out where your traffic's coming from by country, and just doing a bar chart or pie chart or various different types of ways of looking at things. You can look at the language, and you can see obviously mine's going to be primarily English. So you say English US, but then there's other different types like Great Britain English and Canadian English and so forth. And again, a lot of data and so forth on this. So this is, if I wanted to change to another property or to another account, I would just click up here, and I could say, oh, how about if I wanted to check, let's say, my science education one, and I'll check this one right here, and let's go ahead and open that. So now we're changing over to a different account and to different traffic. Now you can see that the users here, just for same time period, about 500,000 or so sessions and 371,000 users. So so this is Google Analytics, but one of the cool things about this is that you can also generate reports that you can share with other people. And the way you're going to do that is there's another option that you can use in terms of, click on the home button right here, you'll see options up here for insights, and you can again do further analysis and so forth there as you like.